Mumbai Police on Friday recorded the statement of actor Sherlyn Chopra in connection with the porn film case in which businessman Raj Kundra has been arrested. Sherlyn Chopra has also made some startling revelations in the case. Here's a news report coming in.
From glamour to bold to semi-nude and then to nude, things moved real quick. This sums up actor Sherlyn Chopra's explosive statement after she was grilled by the Mumbai Crime Branch for over 8 hours. More big charges against the key conspirator, Raj Kundra. Even Shilpa Shetty not totally spared. A big reveal that could help connect several dots in the dirty porn ring. So what was Sherlyn Chopra's role and how did she get lured into this dirty web?
उनकी कंपनी आर्म्स प्राइम के साथ एग्रीमेंट साइन करने के बाद मैं उनके लिए वीडियोस करती गई और धीरे धीरे ग्लैमर से बोल्ड से सेमी न्यूड से न्यूड.
The actor said that the thing that reassured her the most was a statement made by Raj Kundra. Shilpa Shetty liked Sherlyn's videos a lot.
मुझको ये आश्वासन दिया जाता था कि मेरे वीडियोस, मेरे फोटोज को शिल्पा बहुत पसंद कर रही है.
While Bollywood diva Shilpa Shetty had claimed that her husband shot erotica and not porn, Sherlyn painted a different picture.
जांच अधिकारियों के साथ बात करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि नहीं, ग्लैमर का ये डेफिनेशन नहीं है. आपको किसने कहा कि ये ग्लैमर है? आपको किसने कहा कि ये सब चलता है? तो मैंने बताया मेरे मेंटोर ने. और कौन?
आपके मेंटोर राज कुंद्रा
जी.
The actor piled fiery claims. The biggest one yet. Sherlyn claims she was forced to withdraw complaint against Kundra. The reason? To keep a happy living family intact.
मुझसे कहा गया था कि मैं वापस लूं और एक हंसते खेलते परिवार को ना उजाड़ूं और वापस ना लूंगी तो करियर जो है वो पूरी तरह से बर्बाद हो जाएगा.
Between glamour to nude films, the claims by Sherlyn could spell major trouble for Kundra.
According to the sources in the crime branch, statement of Sherlyn Chopra is very important in the case. Sherlyn has also given some evidences which are very crucial in the investigation of this whole pornography racket case. Sources are telling us that Sherlyn has told the crime branch officers that how this pornography racket actually worked, how the models were approached, how this whole content making and money transactions actually took place. It was only Sherlyn Chopra who had alleged that how Raj Kundra had approached her for working in this adult film industry.
With the actor urging more women to come forward with their stories. Raj Kundra's dirty picture is yet to get its full expose. With Saurabh Bakhtania in Mumbai, Bureau Report, India Today.
Mustafa is now joining us with the very latest. Mustafa, take it away as far as the latest coming in, as far as the porn scandal is concerned.
Well, yes, Chaiti, Sherlyn Chopra's statement has been recorded and she has given some important leads and crime branch is now going through it because Sherlyn Chopra app was one of the important evidence in crime branch's cases. Also, she had done some videos for hot shots. So these are things which you can say that the crime branch is analyzing now, and at the same point of time, Raj Kundra had appealed in the High Court saying that his arrest was illegal and the 41A CRPC notice was not given to him before his arrest. The court at around 10:30 will pronounce an order on his application in the High Court. Back to you.
All right, Misbah, thanks so much for joining us with the very latest details right there. Trouble definitely mounting for Raj Kundra in the pawn scandal case. 4 former employees of his company, Vian Industries, who turned witnesses in the case, have recorded their statement with Mumbai Police Crime Branch and have provided crucial information about the functioning of the company. Here's a look.
Incriminating proof against Raj Kundra and his involvement in the pawn racket keeps mounting. After women complaints exposed the business tycoon's dark world of sleaze, Kundra has now been checkmated by 4 of his own former employees who worked for his company, Vian. The 4 ex-staffers have turned witnesses and recorded their statements with the Mumbai Crime Branch, details of which have been accessed exclusively by India Today. The first witness in the Pawngate scandal is an accountant who has provided all the information about Vian's balance sheet. He has also spilled the beans on the money trail involving Kundra. Sources have told India Today that the finance officer is the most important witness in the case, revealing details on how money was received and channeled outside India. Remember, the Mumbai Police Crime Branch had alleged that money was routed from UK-based firm Kenrin and then transferred into Kundra's bank accounts. 2 other witnesses who have testified against Kundra are technical experts. India Today has learned that the 2 former employees have divulged information on technical support, maintenance of pawn apps, hotshots, and data deletion. The Mumbai Police Crime Branch hopes that these testimonies will help boost their case against the high-profile business tycoon.
Mumbai Police is right now investigating the financial angle in this whole case. They are trying to establish the money trail. The cops are also looking for the 4 accused, 3 producer and 1 Gehna Vasisht in the separate FIR in the pornography racket case. Also, Mumbai Police is looking for the witnesses so that the case can become more stronger. With camera person Vijay Desai, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
Raj Kundra's dirty picture gets dirtier by the day. India Today has accessed WhatsApp chats that reveal Kundra's plan to take pornography in India to a whole other level. Here's a full report coming in.
A massive pawn racket with a futuristic goal. What Raj Kundra and co. planned for the pornographic industry in India was nothing short of explosive. WhatsApp chats accessed by India Today exposed the bold plans of the accused to upgrade porn. The gang was allegedly in the process of using VR 360-degree cameras to make virtual films a first in India. The use of virtual reality cameras were aimed at providing more immersive experience in porn. India Today accessed alleged chats between a content maker and the wanted accused in the case, Arvind Srivastav, alias Yash Thakur. In the alleged WhatsApp chats, the accused talk about the equipment and resources they need to shoot VR porn in India. If you're wondering what the fuss is all about, here is what we know. Virtual reality porn is shot in 3D. It needs VR-enabled smartphones and special VR headpieces. It will also need special apps to watch. Such films offer more immersive content. VR gears from Google, Oculus and Samsung can be used. In short, it transforms the on-screen experience. While all these claims are yet to go on record, this is a sneak peek into what Kundra and his gang were looking to do and how deep and dark this porn ring was.
We also saw that how Raj Kundra hotshot was going to shut down and therefore he made plan B. So this is the reality of this particular pawn racket wherein accused knew that there is lot of profit and therefore future planning and competition should be done. With camera person Vijay Desai, this is Saurav Akhtania in Mumbai for India Today.
In a sensational revelation, the makers of adult films involving Raj Kundra were planning to use virtual reality for making adult films. Here's a news report on the virtual world.
More realistic than ever. Impressive 3D simulation bringing a 360-degree shift in traditional user interface. A complete revolution in the tech world, allowing users now to plug into a whole new virtual world. Yes, we are talking about the world of virtual reality. A medium which enables users from just being passive observers to active participants, making things appear a lot more real. It lets the user be part of an artificial world and interact within that 3D environment with other characters. To experience this, a device called the virtual reality headset or a helmet is used. Interestingly, this technology helps in providing a 360-degree view of any environment around you. This motion tracking feature allows a person to walk around in the virtual world. In fact, medical students learn how to perform surgeries through this technology. Gamers now experience realistic feel of surviving deadly enemy encounters, ducking fire-breathing dragon, soar like a bird, fly over a city, and a lot more that's possible with this technology. Now, this tiny head-mounted device has really put virtual reality into the spotlight. In fact, we hear now the adult industry is now widely using this technology. As we know, adult industry is one of the front runners in adopting new technologies so as to provide a new experience of watching adult entertainment in which users immerse themselves into erotic experiences through this technology. During investigation into the Raj Kundra's porn scandal case, WhatsApp chats reveal how he was planning to get his hands on this new technology in order to launch India's first virtual reality porn platform. So in the international adult entertainment industry, this is really not new. It is a huge money spinner. Websites like Pornhub have created quite some huge database of VR content, which has now caught the attention of millions of users across the globe. Experts suggest that by 2025, this industry will be worth $1 billion, which makes it the biggest virtual reality sector after VR video games, which has a revenue now of $1.4 billion.